Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today, February the 19th, 2022, Intel. Don't buy the stock. Hold on, somebody told you not to buy a stock? You rarely hear that in the stock market, right? Everyone tells you that everything is a buy. Even when the stock is going down 50, 60, 70%, they still come in and tell you to buy the stock. Well, I'm one that tells you don't buy the stock because the price is looking weak. Welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. This is what I do. I do price predictions, basically looking at a price chart, nothing else, nothing more. I don't have no 8 pillars of process to figure out whether or not a stock is a buy or is it not. I look at what the money is doing. I pay attention to what the money is trying to do, and we can see where price is going to go. You don't have to make this complicated. Everyone else is out here trying to get you to buy some type of software. They're trying out here to give you some special strategy. They want you to learn some type of course. Hey, all you got to do is look at the price. And if you guys can't tell through my voice that I'm smiling about this, is because everyone else out here is running and scrambling and creating YouTube channels and acting like they know how to predict prices and where price is going to go, when in actuality, they don't. You just simply need to look at this. So I'm going to show you from my perspective, right? This is just my opinion as to where I'm looking for the price to go in Intel, and show you why this may not be a buy right now. All right. So if you guys want to join the community, hey, the doors are open. Hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. You're not going to get this type of content anywhere else. You're not. I'm going to keep it real. I've been on this YouTube streets for a while, and nobody else is out here dropping price predictions on price charts to show you their best, to show you their ideas as to what they think the price is going to do. I guess because they're nervous about being wrong. Well, I'm not, because I know I'm going to get some price predictions wrong, but majority of them, I get them right. All right, so check this out. Look at this. This is Intel, right? And I already created something for all of us to pay attention to, okay? Can you see this? This is the trend into the market in Intel. We love trends because trends tells us what the majority of the market is trying to do. Back here in 2012, yes, this is 2012, right? We're looking at the price in Intel creating this trend back in 2012. So if we look at the price from the creation of this trend back in 2012 to the high of 2021, back here in January 2020, came back up here again in April 2021, the market in Intel has already increased from low to high, 243%. Very good gains. This was the opportunity to come into the market in Intel and buy the stock, right? Because the price was in a trend. See, I'm circling every area that we needed to see Intel be bought. These were the times to come in and buy the market in Intel. Let's just keep it real. Every time the price in Intel came to this trend was an opportunity to buy. Okay, let me show it to you. This was an opportunity to buy here, right there, here, and here again, and the market to buy there. But hold on, something changed. Hold on. When something breaks a trend, you got to pay attention. Off rip, off the top. That's the first thing you need to do, is pay attention, because while price in Intel was going up back here in 2012, 2013, 2014, it was fantastic. We already knew what price is going to do because price didn't break trend. But now, look what happened. Market in Intel broke trend. So now, it doesn't mean that the price is a guaranteed sell. It doesn't mean that price is a guaranteed don't buy. But we need to pay attention. Okay, we need to start paying attention to this price in Intel for that reason, because price is breaking trend. Now, all of this information right here, we got to pay attention to this. Now we got to talk about this. What does this mean? I mean, the market in Intel literally has been in a consolidational range following 2018. We've seen the price just bounce in between these areas. Nothing too much, nothing too more than that right here. We just pretty much seen the market do this. What does that mean? Is it buying? Is it selling? Like, keep it simple. There's only two things you can ever do in the market, in the stock market. Only two things. Either you're going to buy, either you're going to sell. So what do you think the majority of the market was doing during this time frame? What were they doing? Buying and selling. I want you all to let me know. Yeah, drop me the comment and tell me, because I'm going to show you what I think. So look at this on a weekly time frame in Intel. I'm looking at weakness. I got to keep it real with everyone. The chart doesn't look massively strong in Intel right now. Can you tell me though? Okay, this is the question for you. Where do you think the buyers are at? Right? Price in Intel is trading around $45, right? We got it. Where do you think the buyers are at? Because wherever the buyers are is where price is going to stop falling. Can you see it on this price chart? Can you see them? I'm going to show it to you. This is where the buyers are at. Right here. Around $44. It might come down a little bit lower. 44 to like $42. This is what the buyers are at. Right? Now, how do I know that? The answers are already here. The market is finding this area as a buying opportunity previously in 2020, October, March 2020, May of 2019. You can see it again, October 2018. You can even see it January 2018. This is where the buyers are at, period. Okay. So in the midst of us still seeing this chart as weakness, we need to be paying attention to see the buyers are finding Intel stock attractive at $44 to $42. Because check this out. If the market in Intel cannot find the buyers again as price comes down, are you ready for the market to come down here to 38? I'm here to show you this information already, because that's going to be the next level that we will expect the market in Intel to find the buyers down here. See that? Right there. The charts don't lie. It gives you the information. So basically what I'm saying to you is that I am looking for the price in Intel to go down. I am. Now let me show you the monthly time frame in Intel. Okay. So last month, the buyers try to come into the market in Intel. I'm not going to lie. The market definitely saw some buying come in. But in February, it still shows us that the sellers are still dominating this stock market in Intel. So we got to pay attention. If the sellers are still here, if the sellers are still trying to drop the price in Intel, we got to get ready for it. So we're going to look for the market in Intel to go down in price. That's going to be our price prediction. Okay. So let's go ahead and show you all what we have. So like I said, maybe we can see the market in Intel hit 44. Okay, I got it. That's going to be our first area. It's going to be around 44. Okay, $44. It's going to be our first area for us to see the buyers approach the market. Now we broke the trend, so they may not hold the market at 44. Next level, it's going to be around $42, $43. Okay. So I'm giving you very close price targets because we need to focus in on buyers. We need to see, are they going to be willing to prop up the price in Intel right there? 44 and like $42, right? Around that vicinity. Okay. Did you guys see that? Let me see something. Okay. Let me go back to the daily time frame. And then the next level, it's going to be down here towards $38, $39, right? That's a far fall, no doubt. I got it. This is going to happen in a very long-term time frame from my perspective. Long-term for me is like monthly, 3 months, 6 months. This is not like a 5-year price prediction that I'm looking at into the market in Intel. All right. So we got 44 first, 42 second, all the way back down to like $38.50, $39 third. Okay. Now I'm going to elevate the restriction area into the market in Intel, because even if we do see price and buyers come into the market in Intel next week, if price cannot overcome this level here, matter of fact, I'm going to bring it up higher, right there around $52. If price cannot trade above $52, we know that the market is still trending to the downside. Like, take a look at the market price. We're seeing this price go down right now. Okay, we're in the downtrend from that perspective on a daily basis. So now we're in it. This is our price prediction as to what I'm looking forward to into the market in Intel. It's your turn. I know it. You're going to tell me that this is the opportunity to buy the dip. You're a long-term holder. I understand. You guys are going to tell me that. But from our perspective, this market is giving us some weakness. Okay. So let's run it. This is what we got. Bring it in a little closer so you all can see it as to what I'm looking forward to into the market in Intel right there. Now I want to know, what do you all suspect the price is going to do in the market in Intel without the confusion? I'm done. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different. All right.